Hi everyone, Chuck here with Electric Scooter Guide, and you are watching our first look review of the Kaabo Wolf Warrior. If you're in the market for an ultra high performance scooter, you'll want to check out the Wolf Warrior as it checks all the boxes and adds some features we haven't seen before. As always, if you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Starting out with basic features, the Wolf Warrior has dual 1200 watt motors for a combined 2400 watts of sustained power. It has a peak output of 5400 watts. We've heard from many sources this is the same motor that is in the Dualtron Thunder. Those motors will get you to a stated top speed of 50 miles per hour or 80 kilometers per hour. I've personally taken this to 45 miles per hour and had plenty more to give. I would estimate that if you have enough runway and a lot of protective gear, you could go past 50 miles per hour quite easily. The stated range of 80 miles or 129 kilometers will be on eco mode, but if you're riding this scooter, it probably won't be on eco mode. We'll be conducting our range test shortly and will update our website when this data comes out. The range is made possible by a 2100 watt-hour LG battery. This is more capacity than any electric scooter on the market besides the $6,000 Dualtron X. Of course, all this motor and battery power comes at a cost in terms of weight. The Wolf Warrior is a mighty 101 pounds, and without a locking stem, this is not an easy scooter to carry. I was able to put it in the back of my SUV by myself, but carrying it up a flight of stairs is not something that I ever want to do again. Along with the massive weight, the scooter is also 150 centimeters or 59 inches long. A regular automobile trunk will have a very hard time closing with this scooter inside. The massive weight and frame of the Wolf can handle a rider weight of 330 pounds or 150 kilograms, which is appreciated since there's a weight limit of 264 pounds or 130 kilograms on many other popular high-performance scooters. When you need to decelerate all of this weight quickly, you'll be happy to have dual hydraulic disc brakes. They respond quickly and have fantastic brake modulation. Moving on, the scooter comes with either off-road knobby tires or road-style tires. The road tires we have on now are over 3 inches wide by 11 inches in diameter. They are a tubeless pneumatic, which is the best possible tire to have for safety, comfort, and performance. Not to mention they are also less prone to flats than a traditional tube-style pneumatic tire. The pneumatic tires, combined with a dual hydraulic front and rear suspension, create a comfortable ride over even the worst roads. Overall, this is one of my favorite scooters to ride due to the adjustable acceleration, top-notch brakes, and extremely comfortable ride. Comparing this feature set to other scooters in the $3,000 to $4,000 range, there are many similarities. It is a bit heavier and larger, but has more battery and can handle more weight than most scooters. However, there are some features unique to this scooter that really make it stand out from the pack. The first thing you'll notice on the front of the scooter are the big bug eye lights. They are super bright and adjustable. They can be on full power, low power, and blinking nodes for maximum visibility at night. There are also 2 low-mounted but bright button lights on the front of the platform. Finally, there are blue lights on the underside of the platform that add an extra little glow. Directly under the large bug eye lights is the horn, which you may not see at first glance. However, you will certainly notice it when it is activated. As far as I know, no other scooter uses this type of horn, which is basically the type you will find in a small car. But unlike a car, this horn is not muffled and it is scary loud if you're too close. Finally, we have to tell you about our favorite feature, one that you may not appreciate until you've ridden a lot of high-end monster scooters, and that is the stem lock. While the dreaded stem wobble plagues so many scooters on the market today, this scooter has a stem locking mechanism that is rock solid. When riding, there is no wobble or slop, which really contributes to our overall amazing feeling when riding this scooter. If you are looking for more information on this scooter, check out our full review, which is listed in the video description. We will have full performance reviews on this scooter, including acceleration, braking, and range tests. Look for that video in the next week, as well as our comprehensive video review coming out shortly. If you are into scooters as much as we are, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the latest electric scooter news and reviews. Also, check out the Electric Scooter Guide website for industry-leading unbiased reviews of the world's most popular scooters. You can also use that site to do side-by-side comparisons of the top 120 electric scooters on the market today. go to electric-scooter.guide or see the link in the video description. Until next time, ride safe and don't forget to wear your helmet.